Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
All right, we want to look now at some of the stocks on the move. We're joined by Bloomberg's Christine Aquino. Now, Christine, I want to start with AT&T because they had some big news out this morning.
Absolutely, Lisa. A little bit of M&A light action today for AT&T. So yeah, AT&T, ticker T, and those shares just up slightly below 0.4% at the moment, 0.37%. So pairing some opening gains there. But yes, we did get the news that it will buy spectrum licenses from EchoStar for about $23 billion. And according to AT&T, that acquisition will strengthen the company's ability to deliver 5G and fiber services across the U.S. Now, remember, Bloomberg actually reported in July that federal regulators were looking at EchoStar and they were pushing that company to sell some of its airwaves because they were concerned that it had failed to put valuable slices of wireless spectrum to use. And so this deal with AT&T looks to be a bit of a result from that reporting from Bloomberg earlier.
All right. You've got a little Eli Lilly action.
Yeah.
News on their experimental obesity pill. Looks pretty good in a second trial.
Absolutely, Alexis. So yeah, Lilly, ticker LLY, shares are up more than 3% at the moment. It's exactly what you said, Alexis. It has this experimental obesity pill, just went through a second trial, and that had more promising results than the first. So for this particular trial, it helped patients lose 9.6% of their body weight. The first one was a little disappointed because investors were expecting higher numbers in terms of weight loss and side effects as well. But the data does put the company on track for filing for regulatory approval by the end of this year. And then, if approved, that drug could hit pharmacy shelves sometime in 2026.
All right, we want to talk supercomputers. Okay, maybe quantum computers. This is all beyond my scope here. So this is AMD and also IBM too.
That's right, Lisa. Yeah, AMD, ticker AMD. Shares are up 1.8% at the moment. It is a bit of a mouthful, but yes, bear with me. So the news is that the company is planning to partner with IBM. They're going to develop next generation computing architectures based on the combination of quantum computers and high performance computing, also known as quantum-centric supercomputing. Boy, that's a mouthful, isn't it?
Yes, I stumbled on it a number of times today.
It's really advanced stuff, but investors seem to be liking it. But yes, the teams from both companies, they're planning an initial demonstration later this year. And, you know, it's landing well with analysts. We have analysts from Truist saying that, well, they've upgraded AMD for starters to buy from hold, also raising the price target to $213 from $173 per share previously. And for reference, right now, shares of AMD standing at $166. So quite a bit of a premium there. So that's a nice upgrade for them.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.